It's going to be a really busy year this year, but also a really exciting one. At the moment, we are just coming to the end of moving the vast majority of our therapies outpatient services to a refurbished part of the Royal Alexandra Hospital in Rhyl. And this is really good for the majority of our patients because it brings their care closer to where they live, and is what we're aiming to do with some of the services that are currently delivered from the acute hospital sites. Critical care was first built in this hospital when the hospital was first built about 25 years ago, and it had 8 beds then and it has 8 beds now. We've had to expand the number of beds that we operate in line with the changing needs of the population and the advances in patient care that are available. To do this, we've had to look after patients in the recovery area of main theatres, which isn't ideal as it splits up the team and it takes space away from the theatre area. So we're really excited about being able to open a brand new critical care area which will have the capability of looking after 16 patients at any given time. 3 new wards will be coming online in the autumn. They will each have 24 beds, and those beds will be distributed across 4 4-bedded bays with more space around the beds than people are used to having, and ensuite facilities in each bay. In addition, there will be 8 single rooms. 2 of those rooms will have full isolation facilities for patients with infections, and all of the rooms will have private ensuite facilities. We have changed the pattern of nursing care so that nurses will be located in the bays with the patients rather than at a central nurses station. So we believe that this will deliver more personalised care and enable the nurses to notice more quickly if the patients deteriorate. At the moment, the main entrance area it's mostly been stripped of asbestos, but there's just a couple of areas where this is still ongoing. So very soon they'll start the actual construction of the new facilities. We'll no longer have the revolving doors, but what we will have is a brand new reception area, and our partners in the Royal Voluntary Service will continue to guide patients and visitors to where they want to get to.